Today we're going to take my brand new 14-inch Cabela's Dutch oven and make a gumbo. I have a way I like to make it. Everybody seems to have their own version of it. So come along, see how I do it. If you got some good tips, I'm always willing to listen. Let's go take a peek at my version of gumbo. Alright, it's time to get this thing going. There's my new 14-inch Dutch oven from Cabela's. So what I like to do on my gumbo is take about half of the andouille sausage and I like to brown it. I'll brown that off and we're going to put the chicken in next. Check back in here in a minute. Okay, we're back. We got some color on our thinly sliced andouille sausage. This will start building flavor. That's what you want to do with a gumbo, is build flavor all the way through. Alright, this over to one side. Whole boneless, skinless chicken thighs in. And this gets cooking, they'll fall apart. Now we pull them out, break them up later on. I'm just going to get some nice browning on these too. Alright, got them all flattened out. One more. There we go. Put the lid on her. Let her brown those thighs. Alright, let's check in on our chicken thighs. See if I get a little color on them. A lot of juice came out, but that's all right. That's flavor. Got a little browning on them. Sausage is in there. We'll bump up the fire a little bit. I might leave this lid off, let it steam a little bit, concentrate those flavors. We'll go get our Trinity. Gumbo law says you gotta have the Trinity. Alright, give it a little stir. We lost our sunshine, struggling with temperature, gotta build it back up. We're gonna keep moving on this. We're gonna get our Trinity in. It's supposed to be green bell peppers, couldn't find them with this COVID thing going around. You gotta take what you got. So there's bell pepper, onion, celery. We're not looking to brown this. We just want this to cook enough to become translucent. I like lots of vegetables. Some people put a little bit less in there, but I don't mind the vegetables cooking into the sauce. So that's what we're going to go with. Get our lid on. Since we lost our sunshine, I'm going to go ahead and get coals on top. Alrighty, let's see what we got going on. I kind of poured the heat to it. Oh yeah, we got a nice boil going. Vegetables starting to get soft. There goes that chicken. It's starting to fall apart. So we're getting closer. Like about 4 cups of water, 3 bouillon cubes. There we go. We'll simmer that for some more. And we'll be back with the rest of our big sausage. Alright, our color's coming together. Vegetables are getting soft, translucent. 1 more pound of andouille sausage. 2 pounds of smoked pork sausage. We're gonna have to get a little bit more water in on that. Well, we're just about ready for our roux. All right, looking good. A couple tablespoons Creole seasoning. Tasting pretty good. A little tinge of heat there. That's enough of that. Now on to make our top secret roux. Alright. I like to throw in crawfish tails. A lot of people like shrimp. I like the crawfish tails. So everybody's got an idea how they like the gumbo. Everybody likes it a little different. Alrighty, I think we're getting down to brass tacks on this bad dog. There's our crawdad tails. Chicken's coming apart. Look at that, splitting along the muscle seams just like you want it. Big chunks of chicken, big chunks of sausage. Those little chunks of brown sausage in there. And here comes the second part of the magic. A nice roux, nice dark roux, not burnt. Now these dark roux, the darker the roux, the less thickening it'll do. Like if you barely toast the flour a little bit, it's gonna do a really good job of thickening it up. But the more you toast it, the less thickening it'll do, but adds a lot of that nutty flavor. So that is my super secret. No oil, no cooking, no standing over a pot stirring for hour and a half. So if you want to see what I do for my super secret roux, drop a comment. Maybe if you're lucky, kids, I'll show you how I make my no oil roux. We're gonna let that simmer for a while, and then it's time to eat. Well, we're gonna call her done. Join me for the taste test. All right, here comes the big taste test. A little bit of ice. There we go. All right, here's the big taste test. Oh, yeah, nailed it. Very good.